Hello Ghana, my name is Mohamed Ibrahim, an upcoming inventor from SWOOM, and I'm schooling at SWOOM Senior Technical School. Please, to anyone watching this video right now, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel and then like, comment, and help share. Introducing a new project, this Hamo top pan balance I've built. Let's jump into the practical session.
Mohamed Ibrahim, crafting genius lines with wires and dreams. He brings life to tech. Every spark he builds earns respect. Hamo inventions, born from skill and fire. DIY magic that will lift you higher. From Zoom to the world, he's making a way, turning ideas into gold every day. On Instagram, he shares his life at philanthropists, one glow.